I've got a little secret that I would like to share. Hey! It's me, Craigo. I haven't been around here very recently, so I wanted to drop in and do the standard YouTuber video of just saying thank you for all your support over this last year. Have a great Christmas, enjoy some time off, and have a fantastic New Year. I wanted to just jump on because I wanted to kind of let you know what I've been up to recently. I'm fully aware that I'm inactive on this channel, and what I didn't want you guys to think was that I'm no longer creating content for YouTube anymore, because that is far from the truth. But for today's video, I'm just going to go ahead, let you know, speak about what a bit that I've been up to, let me know my plans for this channel going into next year. I'm going to let you know about a recent development with Stranti as well, which I think will be great use for some of you on this channel and would be fantastic, so do stick around for that. And then I actually have a little, I guess, bit of personal information that I want to share at the end of this video, so please stick around for that. But first of all, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of explain why I haven't been very active on this channel recently, apart from the odd community post and YouTube short. And that is because I've posted on this on my community feed a couple of times now. I've been developing a beginner's guide for SEMA students. The reason I've done this is because when I started SEMA, I kind of was thrown into the unknown and didn't really know what to expect. And it would have been great if I'd had a guide or just somebody that could tell me absolutely everything I needed to know in order to get my SEMA journey rolling. So I felt this was a good opportunity for me to create a development within this space. As a result, it takes a lot of time to write these guides. It's meant I've had to put making videos for my YouTube channel to the back seat, and that is ultimately why you haven't seen too much activity at the back end of this year. I just wanted to get that out there because, one, I want you to know that it's coming, and if there are anybody that's new to SEMA, then please keep an eye out in about January, February time, where I will have fully finalised this guide and I will release it over at probably an Etsy store. But the second one is because I didn't want you to think that I'd given up on my YouTube journey. I am well and truly here for the long run. I will be doing my best to post as many videos as possible next year and to get my groove back on with posting consistently. And then that leads me quite nicely on to the latest development with Stranti. As a few of you will know, SEMA released a SEMA FLP program in the UK in the middle of this year. Stranti last week released their own FLP course to help students pass through the FLP process. This is groundbreaking because Stranti, alongside with SEMA themselves, are the only tuition company that offer an optional SEMA FLP course. You have two options to pay this, either upfront like you can with SEMA, or you actually have the option to spread your payments on a monthly subscription service. I've seemed to get quite a lot of feedback that one of the barriers to doing FLP is the massive upfront cost. So this gives you a fantastic opportunity to the official SEMA course. So I recommend, if you are looking to do the SEMA FLP or just want to hear about doing the SEMA FLP, then you do check this out. I will put the link down in the description below. If of course you do have any questions on the SEMA FLP program, then I am of course happy to answer them. So please feel free to put any questions down in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And then I've got a little secret that I would like to share, which has ultimately led to my inactivity in the back end of this year. And so I'm excited to announce that I am expecting my very first child in February, which is extremely exciting news. I can't wait. I'm absolutely buzzing. And it's meant that I've just had to do a few additional things in my spare time, which I've had to take priority. Likewise, that will be continuing on into the new year. I wanted to give you that update because I didn't want you to think that after I release this video that I'm not going to be posting and then that's it. I'm done with the journey. So I can assure you I am fully committed to this journey. I'd like to just wrap up this video and say a very last final thank you for all your support this year. My channel's done things that I didn't expect it would be able to do, and I'm fully grateful for that. So from me to you, thank you for your support. Have a fantastic Christmas and New Year. Rest up easy, and I'll catch you all in the new year. For one last time, that's all from me today. Goodbye.